Hi, my name is Rick and congratulations on your purchase of a portable or mobile checklist board. This is designed for easy assembly without any tools. Let's take a look at what you should have been supplied with for this assembly. You should have before you a checklist board, a white piece of acrylic for backing. It may or may not have printing on it. A piece of Armaflex is a large spacer that's going to go on the IV pole. 4 bolts, 4 spacers, 4 wing nuts, and 4 washers. So the assembly is really very simple. We're going to start by taking the Armaflex and putting this on the IV pole. We recommend you use an IV pole with at least 4 feet on it for stability purposes. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to pick up the slider board, put 2 bolts through these holes that are on 10-inch center, obviously designed to line up with the eyes on the IV pole. Take 2 spacers, slide them over the back. Assembly is easier with 2 people, but 1 person can do it. Then we're going to take this and we're going to put it through the eye holes. Now it's important that you hold this, obviously, so the board doesn't fall, because they do crack. We're going to take the blank white piece of acrylic and apply that as such. Next we're going to take a washer, put it here, take a wing nut. This is the hard part here, tightening this without help. So we're going to make it snug but not too tight. We can tighten them up later. You want to be careful not to over tighten them because it's possible to crack the acrylic if you do that. So now we've got the top pieces on and it's all set. Now we're going to do the bottom pieces. It takes a little more work and coordination because you have to put the piece spacer between before you run the bolt through on the corner. So we're going to go like this. It's going to come out through the bottom corner of the board. If I had my glasses on, I could do a better job of this. There it is. Again, we take a spacer or a washer, a wing nut, and we'll hand tighten it. Just like this. And we're going to do the other side. And there you go. Once you have them all attached, you can go ahead if you need to and tighten them up a little bit more. Again, be careful not to tighten too much. Everything is snug. And you're now ready to use your portable whiteboard. As you go through the checklist process, red to green, you can use the back as a whiteboard for counts or to list who the staff are in the procedure. It's easy to turn as well as move, and you are good to go.